Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am playing Minecraft right now and this is my first time making video and I hope you like it. This is my base. This is the cooking area, smelting area, like that, crafting area. This is a bed and this is the base where I live with Ryan, but Ryan is not here. So Ryan left me and he joined into another server called Nerd Herd Modded Fun server, and then he left me. I also play that server, but I like the most server is this one. And all players here are friendly, not very much, but there are some people that love killing too. And there was a dog here and a cat. Well, the dog here is Ryan's dog, and I don't know who have been inside in my base and killed Ryan's dog and took my ender chest, and all my items are there, all the valuable things, and then all of the things right here too. My diamond and iron, it's all gone. See, all my food, all my resources. So that's why I am grinding some XP and money. Look, I have 114,388 pesos, but in this server it's dollars. And also this base costs 225k, this area, and I'm going to buy land and I own it, so no more players can steal stuff from me and break blocks and put something here. That's why. And let's go to my other base. It's called Pink Tree. Here. It's a little bit laggy though. Oh, there's some. Let me kill this one first. I don't really. I'm not knowing how to kill this guy. I know how to play Minecraft since I was just a child, and I really like it because there was this one boy that helped me or tell me how to play this game, and then I just play Minecraft. But I play Minecraft the most when I was a kid. When I was a kid, is it's just a Minecraft pocket, and we can join there with my friends. But it only have 5 people to join. And also this is my base. I have buy this land. Look, my name is MC Bongo 2634. You can call me MC, but my real name is Kenneth Dave. This is my pink tree here. You know, it's lagging. It's so laggy right now. And this banner, maybe Swag or Fofi just give that to me. And also Michael here is my friend. We have also an argument about taking revenge because he he tried to kill and bully my friend Court. Then he made an account and make her name another. He called himself Limbs 31. So that's why we always join here. And what is this? You sure? Yep. Also, I have a villager farm where you can loot, but there's no mending because I don't have any lectern yet. Home village. In this Minecraft, you can join. It's only available with 20 players though. Here. This is the base of, oh no, creeper, 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 creeper. Ouch. What the? Let's go home first. Let's go to sleep. So, sleeping through the night. Yes. I'm sorry for the game, guys. It's lagging. Um, what is this called? Clan. Guys, you can join this Minecraft. It's available in 1.21.50. That's the version of this Minecraft. And this is the clan base of Puffy. And I really love this island that he made. Chris, oh, it's Chris or oh, it's Michael and Puffy. This is their base. What the? What? Who just made this? Maybe I should tell Puffy about this. Someone takes her iron and what's this? Emerald. This is oxygen house. Oxygen house. What the? Wait, the bridge is gone. You can join the server, guys. It's free. And I have a FB account named Kenneth Dave. You can go check that profile on FB or Facebook. Then you can just see that I post a server there. It's called Stormer Club Com. You can name whatever you want, and the port is 19995. You put 1, then 39, like 19995. Like that. And also, there's a secret right here too, with Michael. Right, Michael. Michael. I named this secret because this is their base. Wait, let's say hi to Michael. Hi, Michael. Michael, I'm here. I I'm here, not I here. I'm sorry. Why it's so laggy? Oh, I need help. I need help. It's fine, just don't steal. Yeah, I won't. I won't. I'm living. I'm live though. And also on my channel. It's my first time. What? Can you fol follow my page please? I don't have sub yet. It's MC Bongo. Guys, this was the first video I made, and Michael here is trying to help me, and maybe he's the first person to subscribe my channel. No videos yet, but this first video will be the first video that I made and posted on my channel. And I'm very thankful to Michael Cook, because he's such a good friend to me. But we have an argument earlier, so I apologize her and he apologized me. So we're friends now. We're back to friends. It's MC Bongo. Wait, he can't find my channel. He said I can't find it. Oh, maybe later. Okay, this is their farm, carrots, and this is the cherry blossom biome, and I love the view. And also they have a village here and a railroad. Ouch. She going here. Let's go to their villager farm where they can get mending and other stuff. It's a bit laggy though, sorry. Oh no. Ouch. Hi. He said hi. Hi. Hello, Michael. What? Nothing. Just watch. I love her base because it's more clean or very amazing, very cool base. Then I really like you, man. Thank you for helping me. And he also farmed me some Enderman. He gets XP, lots of XP, and I get a bunch of money from her, because he wants to help me. Yes. And also I gave her 5 iron blocks earlier, because he was just so honest and kind. I really like this guy. He's helping me though. And my channel, oh yes, my video will be first remembrance to me, because and I know, maybe this world might gun or server, So thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Oh wait, I must start. I have some blocks. Oh, it's not me. I thought it was me. Sorry. Bye, Michael. Let's go to Chris' house first. Oh no, it's not home. Chris. Well, Chris is my second follower on the Discord, and also in my, what is that, my my Xbox, maybe Xbox 2. This is her base. Her ender chest is gone too, and I don't know where. And also someone took books here. What the? This is her base. I love her base because there's a big cave or a large cave down there, and sugarcane farm, a bed, and what is this? Upgrade gear to netherite, like this. Look, hmm? You can see, and this is her chest. We have things too, and here where I go to enchant my things because I don't have an enchanting table. And this, my video will end here, guys. Thank you for watching.